In terms of considering any visual content, the audio is the most important part of it, as the sound and the music are the things that actually connects the whole storyline deeply with the feelings and emotions of the viewers. Rode has maintained their quality as of industry standards in terms of providing the best microphones till today. How is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Enoylity Tech. It's Milind over here, and here is one of the best microphones in the world from Rode, the Rode NT1. Before moving ahead, taking a look at our sponsor, Broadcasting Hunt provides a complete and a perfect solution for watching live TV shows, series and latest movies anytime and anywhere around the world. Now never miss your favorite shows and episode with this simple Android app. In this, you can also choose your custom video player for flawlessly streaming your favorite content with various streaming formats for a perfect experience. Download the Broadcasting Hunt app from the Play Store, links available in the description down below, and never miss any of your favorite content again. Once again, a quick reminder, guys, we are giving away the latest Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus 128GB version. So make sure to be a part of this channel. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell notifications if you haven't already. And comment down below what do you think about this. So getting back to the video, if you are a YouTuber, a filmmaker or a filmy geek person who is considering to level up their workflow to a professional level, then this studio microphone is a complete solution for you. The Rode NT1 is built for all kind of professional workflows from studio recording till the podcasting. This microphone generally comes as a single piece or with a complete kit with a powerful audio interface from Rode itself named as AI1. So after unboxing this package, we basically get the first and foremost the Rode NT1 condenser microphone itself, the AI1 single channel audio interface to connect the microphone to the PC or via other recording devices, the SMR shock mount which eliminates the vibrational sound during deep professional sound recording, a double-sided pop shield to reduce the plosives which are basically the P and B sounds while recording, a USB Type-C to Type-A connector to directly connect the AI1 audio interface with the PC, a long 3-meter XLR cable, an additional rubber gripper in case using a different microphone to connect with this Rode XLR cable properly, a free Ableton Live Lite promo card which you can redeem on Ableton's official website, and a complete microphone installation guide with some silica gel. First of all, after unboxing, when holding this microphone itself in hands, it really feels very premium and a bit heavy as compared to its little brother, the Rode NT1A, which is basically an anniversary edition as per Rode, which is also a bit cheaper in price as compared with this Rode NT1. The SMR shock mount that we get with this kit also feels really premium with a very high build quality. If considering buying a separate one from Amazon, may cost us around 80 to 100 bucks. The pop shield that we get with this kit is double-sided and is completely made up of metal, which seems to be far better as compared to that of the single-sided nylon pop shields. This double layer of this pop shield also reduces the pop's intensity in a bit better way rather than just the single-sided one. In terms of considering the single channel AI1 audio interface, it is basically very easy to set up. We simply need to connect it to the PC with the help of this powerful USB Type-C cable. Once connected, our PC will directly detect it as the audio interface and the microphone has got connected. In order to connect the microphone to the AI1 audio interface, you simply need to connect the one end of the XLR cable as an input to the microphone and the other end directly to the AI1 audio interface, which further goes to the PC. The best part about this Rode's AI1 audio interface is that as the Rode NT1 is a condenser microphone, it basically needs the phantom power to turn on. So this AI1 audio interface internally do provide the 48 volts of phantom power directly with the help of this USB Type-C cable without the use of any external power sourcing devices. It's as simple as plug and record. With this in front of this AI1 audio interface, we basically get the XLR input, status LEDs, level control knob, headphone live volume control knob, and a direct live headphone jack input. whereas on the back side of this device we have the USB Type-C input and the right and left direct speakers connector input, which gets toggles when you connect or remove the headphones from the input at the front. Basically, in order to listen the sound from the connected speakers or monitors, you will need to detach the headphones from the front and do the vice versa in order to listen the sound via the headphones. Both the knobs in the front can be pressed and functioned, as when pressing the left side knob, it basically enables or disables the 48-volt phantom power, and when pressing the right side knob, we can monitor the live audio coming from the microphone itself directly to the headphones without even getting touched in the PC. As this Rode NT1 is a condenser microphone, so it's important to have the phantom power enabled in order to record the audio from it. And with this simple LED previews, you can easily set up the audio levels, as the green color of the LED makes sure that your audio levels are perfect for recording, whereas in case of yellow or red, it indicates levels are a bit high and may affect the recording to work further during the post-processing. This microphone basically records in a polar pattern, which keeps the sound and noise in the opposite direction to be as less as possible. So make sure to mount it properly, facing towards in the direction directly to your face only. So finally, the most important thing for which we all are awaited, the microphone audio quality. How this microphone actually sounds. First of all guys, the sound that you're listening in this video is completely got recorded with the help of this Rode NT1 microphone itself, which is further processed for this video. But as of a practical look and comparison of its raw audio with the DSLR's internal microphone, let's test it out. Using a separate microphone other than just the DSLR's internal one or even the external one which is already mounted on a DSLR itself may highly affect the sound quality. So remember, the closer the microphone is to us, the better the sound is. So here I have already set up the Rode NT1 with its SMR shock mount and pop shield on a Samsung BL3 stand with the AI1 audio interface, which is directly connected to my PC. And for the recording the raw audio without any post-processing, I am using the Adobe Audition CC from Adobe Creative Cloud to record with everything set to normal. I have set the audio levels in between -12 to -15 dB with the help of the AI1 audio interface. In order to test it out, I am gonna read code phrases and see how much significant difference we can see in the audio. And here we go, here it is how the audio sounds like. Now the sound that you are going to listen will be coming from the DSLR's internal microphone. So let's have a look at how it is actually sounding. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. A life spent making mistakes is not only more honorable but more useful than a life spent doing nothing. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Right now, the sound you're listening to will be coming from the Rode NT1 microphone itself. Directly, no filters, no post-processing, directly raw from the microphone to the PC. It is getting recorded like that only. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. A life spent making mistakes is not only more honorable but more useful than a life spent doing nothing. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. So here it is. You might have definitely felt a significant huge difference between the Rode NT1 sound and the DSLR's internal microphone. As practically in most situations, we need to keep the DSLR a few feet away from us to get the video frame properly. So you may have also heard some echo and reverberation in its audio, whereas the Rode NT1 sounds much better as compared to it. Even its pro is that as it is a separate microphone, we can keep it as near as possible to the audio source. So this is how the Rode NT1 audio actually sounds like. This microphone is also very flawless in terms of recording the audio from instruments like guitars and others. In terms of the pricing of this kit, it basically cost a bit cheaper as compared to purchasing the same item separately, as we do also save a good amount of money, especially on the AI1 audio interface. This complete studio microphone kit basically cost me around $349 on Amazon. If you want to buy this complete kit, please consider the Best Buy links available in the description down below. So this was my overall experience about this Rode NT1 with AI1's complete studio kit. Hope this may help you guys if you are considering purchasing a professional level studio microphone for YouTube, podcasting, sound recording or filmmaking. Other than this, if you have any questions about this, then definitely please let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Once again, this was Milan from Enoylity Technology. I will catch you guys soon in the next episode. For now, peace out.